Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Frank Chanda. I'm here to help you to discover genuine ways to make a living online through affiliate marketing, freelancing, and smart passive income strategies. Today, I'm diving into a platform that has been around for over a decade and has seen some big updates this year with affiliate. Now, for full disclosure, I'm affiliated with Web Affiliate. This means that if you decide to sign up through my link below, I do earn a small commission, but it does not cost you a thing extra. My goal here is to give you a honest, in-depth look at what Web Affiliate offers, how it is changed, and why it might be or might not be the right fit for you. I have actually reviewed Web Affiliate before, and if you would like to see my earlier video, you could find the link right here and in the description below. But a lot has changed since then, so let's dive into what Web Affiliate looks like and explore some stories of really people who are succeeding with this training. So first thing first, what is Web Affiliate? At its core, Web Affiliate is a all-in-one platform designed to help people build a profitable online businesses primarily through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission each time someone makes a passage through your referral link. Web Affiliate is not just a set of lessons, it is a comprehensive ecosystem. Now the platform combines step-by-step training, website hosting, research tool, and thriving community and expert support. It is ideal for anyone from beginners who never built a website to more advanced marketers who want to scale their income stream. Let's start with Web Affiliate step-by-step training, the heart of the platform. This training takes you from zero to building and scaling a really online business. What sets it apart is that each lesson is paired with actionable tasks. So after you learn a concept like how to pick a profitable niche or build a SEO friendly website, you are given a concept steps to implement it right away. The training is incredibly valuable for beginners because it covers everything from niche selection to mastering SEO and driving organic traffic. But it also has a lot to offer to advanced marketers, especially with Web Affiliate updated resources on advanced affiliate strategies and content creation. So what changed? You might have seen other reviews of Web Affiliate online, and while those are helpful, they might be a little updated. Web Affiliate has recently rolled out some significant updates. Let's talk about them. First of all, the training has been completely refreshed. Web Affiliate new curriculum is more streamlined and up to date with current trends in the digital marketing. Whether you are learning about SEO, social media marketing, pay ads, the new lessons are more comprehensive and digestible. One of the best parts about this new training is that it's always being updated. The internet and marketing techniques evolve fast, and Web Affiliate does a great job keeping up with those changes. So no outdated strategy here. Next up, they have introduced some powerful tools for building and managing your website. Web Affiliate website builders has been enhanced to make it even easier for beginners to get their first site up and running. Whether you are creating a blog, a review site, or even an e-commerce store, the platform gives you everything you need to design a professional looking website in a minute. Plus, they have updated their hosting services so your website is not only fast but secured. And don't get me started on their SEO tools. They've added new keyword research features that make it easier than ever to find profitable keywords for your niche. This is crucial for driving organic traffic to your website, which is, let's be honest, it is a lifeblood for any affiliate marketer. It is one thing to hear about the features Web Affiliate offers, but let's talk about really people who have seen genuine success using this training. One of my favorite things about Wave Affiliate, it is the success stories it produced. Here are a few examples of people who have built incredible businesses and are now making full-time income online. First, we have Michael from Paid from Surveys. Michael started as a regular Wave Affiliate member, and today he has a successful online business and YouTube channel with over 400,000 subscribers, where he teaches others how to earn money online. Michael's journey shows the power of consistent effort and dedication. He did not start with a huge audience. He built it over time by applying what he learned at Wave Affiliate. There is Rupe, who ran a channel Learn to Make Honest Money Online with over 200,000 subscribers. Rupe Jennings is incredibly inspiring. He came into Wave Affiliate with little knowledge of affiliate marketing, but through the training, hard work, and persistence, is now a top affiliate, sharing his journey and guiding others on how to make a sustainable income online. And I cannot forget Chris, also known as Benji Dad on YouTube. Chris has shared his journey openly and is another great example of Wave Affiliate impact. He's gone from working a traditional job to run a successful online business, all thanks to the guidance and resources he found on Wave Affiliate. Today, he has a YouTube channel where he shares tips, tricks, and tutorials on affiliate marketing and online entrepreneurship. Now, let's dive into one of the most powerful parts of Wave Affiliate, the website and brand section. Your website is the foundation of your online business. Wave Affiliate has made it simple to build and manage your website, even if you have never created one before. Through their platform, you can get a full functional SEO optimized website up and running in minutes. But Wave Affiliate does not just stop at creating the website. They guide you in building your brand. From choosing the right domain name to structuring your site and creating a professional look, Wave Affiliate gives you the tools you need to establish a strong online presence. Wave Affiliate has taken monetization a step further with its revenue opportunity section. Imagine having access to over 500 million products and services that you can promote as an affiliate. In this section, you can find affiliate program suited to your niche, along with detailed information on each program's commission structure, potential earnings, and even direct sign-up links. This feature is super valuable because it saves you hours of research. If you are in a niche like fitness, tech, or lifestyle, you can quickly find higher quality affiliate programs to join, allowing you to monetize your site more effectively. One of the latest additions to Wave Affiliate is the content idea section, designed to take the guesswork out of content creation. Planning content can be one of the most time-consuming parts of managing an online business. But Wave Affiliate has simplified this with done-for-you search organized content structures and even pre-generate ideas that are optimized for your search engines. But the real game changer here is Wave Affiliate AI tools. Those tools leverage artificial intelligence to help you discover niches and create content. The AI Niche Research Finder helps you find profitable niches based on the real data, and the AI content creation tools has options for either a professional copywriter tone or a conversational blogger style. This is especially helpful if you are pressed for time or need a quick burst of inspiration to produce higher quality content that attracts traffic. One of the best things about Wave Affiliate is that you are not doing this alone. Starting an online business can feel isolating, especially if you don't know anyone else in the industry. But Wave Affiliate offers an active community where you can connect with other members, ask questions, and get feedback. There is also a 24/7 technical support. So if you ever have issues with your website or need help with a specific feature, the Web Affiliate team is there to assist you. This support is something that many other platforms lack, making Web Affiliate a solid choice for beginners and advanced marketers alike. Web Affiliate has a pricing structure that is designed to be accessible. They offer a free startup membership which gives you access to basics training and one website to test the water. This is perfect for those who are new to affiliate marketing and want to explore the platform risk-free. If you are serious about building an online business, they offer Premium and Premium Plus membership, which unlock more advanced training, tools, and hosting options. The Premium Plus option even include personalized coaching and faster hosting speed, which is ideal if you are aiming to scale your business quickly. So does Web Affiliate really work? Based on the success stories I have discussed, like Mike, Rupe, and Chris, it's clear that the platform has produced really lasting results for people who are willing to put in the work. Web Affiliate offers you every resource you need to succeed, but it is not a magic formula. You have to take the training, apply the lessons, and stay consistent. Those members did not achieve success overnight. They followed the training, engaged with the community, and apply what they learned diligently. If you are willing to do the same, Web Affiliate can give you an incredible platform to help you reach your goals. So here is my personal take. Web Affiliate has been one of the most important resources in my online business journey. The update training, powerful tools, and the supporting community have made a significant difference in how I approach affiliate marketing. That said, Web Affiliate is not a magic bullet. You still need to put in the work. But if you follow the training, take action, and stay consistent, the potential to build a sustainable online business is real. If you are ready to get started or just want to explore the platform, I've included the link in the discussion below. Remember, I do earn a small commission if you join through my link, but it does not cost you any extra. You can start with the free membership and upgrade later if it feels right for you. And that is my in-depth Web Affiliate review. I hope the review helped you to get a clear picture of what Web Affiliate can offer and whether it is the right fit for your goals. From the step-by-step training to the AI-powered tools, there is a lot for both beginners and more experienced marketers. And as we saw with Michael, Rupi, Chris, the platform can produce really successful stories if you are willing to put in the work. If you are ready to start your journey, you can try Web Affiliate for free to get the feel for the platform. I have included my link below, which also gives you access to some bonuses that can help you to get started even fast. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumb up, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more content on making money online. And let me know in the comments if you have any question about Web Affiliate or affiliate marketing in general. I'm here to help you and I would love to hear from your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Until next time.